Hey, good morning, campers. Um, I'm having trouble right now with my Google Photos. I'm not being able to make my movies like I used to, so I have to relearn an editing program of some sort, and it's playing hell on me. I'm just not real good at this stuff, so it's been slowing down my videos a little bit here. Google's worked us over again, so. But I've got some other plans here. I'm going to be putting a high flow muffler on the bus to try to get a couple more miles a gallon out of it and get the restriction out of it. And also I'm going to put an exterior shower on here and a way to wash the bus or wash other things like dishes or something from the exterior of the bus. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here, okay? Give me just a second. Okay, so what the plan would be is my plumbing's in here, my hot water heater's in here, my hot water heater's in here, but it's right here. It's a Triton 5L, and this is basically a camp shower that I converted over to running hot and cold water here into my bus shower, and my bus kitchen. And it's propane powered, and it vents out through the door up here. I know that most of you guys have seen this if you've been following me, but I just wanted to make it a little clearer to what I'm going to be doing here. Well, with these camp units, you can control the temperature right here, and you can control the water flow right here. So I don't really need to hook up a cold water source to the outside of the bus for washing things and stuff. So because I can turn it clear down to where it is cold, or I can turn it up to where I have heat, and I can get it to a comfortable shower, because that's basically what this thing is. It's just a shower. And the original shower head used to hook right here to my hot water line. So what I want to do is I want to put this T right here, and this is a shark bite fitting. I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to put it right there where it's aiming out this direction. I've got an extra piece of a PEX pipe. I will drill a hole here and go through to that T. Then on the outside here, I will put this little spigot. And see, it'll be out of the way. It won't be in the way of getting underneath the bed. So, sliding things in. And so I'll just turn it off and on right there. And what I thought I would use is this coiled hose here. It's got a regular 3/4 inch connector, which will connect right onto the end of that. And this is I think it's a 40-foot hose. And there's the spray head on it. It's got one of those multiple heads. And yeah, it's pretty long. So that's what I can use for doing dishes, or if I need to wash the windows on the bus. And this thing will stretch clear out to the front of the bus up there. So that was the idea. Now if I put this in here, I can have all the hot water I need on the outside. Also, somewhere around here, not in there, maybe it's in here, nope. But anyway, I have the original shower head for this thing here, which this used to have a 3/4 inch hose fitting on it before I did all this PEX work to it. But it's got a quick connect, which will go onto the end of this. And I can use a quick connect and a shower head here, because I got a flexible line and a shower head for this thing. I thought I had it here with me to show you, but I obviously lost it again. Yep, I did. But I'll show you that as we go along here. All right, guys. I cut the pipe off and pulled it down here, see? And I was going to slide this in, but as you can see, there's not enough room to do so. I need to get under this squarely so I can slide this up into that shark bite fitting there. And what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to drill it from the bottom, enlarge this hole so I can drop part of this down in the hole, which will give me enough room to get on the end of this. Then I can push it up. So keep that clean. We'll put that over there. I'm going to go ahead and drill that hole into there. And this will just take me a second. And there it is. So I should be able to slide this down in the hole and square that up. Then I just need to push it on. I think I'm on there. Yeah, I am. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come from the underside here and I'm going to push this up into it. See, right there like that. But let's see if I need to trim it. It doesn't look like I need to. So let's square this up and we'll give it a push up in there. I guess that's on there. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole over here so we can get a piece of pipe, which I just had here a second ago. It's going to be one of those days. But anyway, I have a little red piece of pipe around here someplace. Here it is. And I'm going to come through here to this and connect it. And this little spigot I've got here, see, it's got also a shark bite fitting on it. And I'll press that in there at the very end. It's probably going to sit somewhere right around like that. I'm going to have a little bit of a lip, but there's 2 screw holes here that'll hold it on right into this 3/4 inch birch plywood. And see my door insets here? That actually gives me from here to out here about 8 inches. So there's plenty of room for this spigot to go on here. I'm probably going, the door's going to be right about here when it closes. So that should work out okay. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put on the 3/4 inch bit. I think that's big enough to put that through. Yes, it is. And I need to line this up. There we go. It's not bad, not bad. So, I think I better put this one on first. There. So we got that one on first. Then we're going to have to figure out how long I'm going to need to cut this to make a good connection. I'm going to push this all the way to the back so I can push it forward on the connect. So I'm thinking probably right about there. All right, let's put this in here and see about how far we're going in. That looks pretty darn close. I think I'm going to just slightly trim this just a little bit more. I don't want to get it on there, then figure out I can't get this base up against the wood here. So, yeah, I think that'll do it. Now I just got to put a couple screws in right here, and that was a pretty simple little project. I'm going to get those screws and I'll be right back. You know, it's funny how some of these projects just kind of fall together, and some of them all the planning in the world and careful measuring, and they just go to heck on you. And this is one of those easy ones. It just kind of came together. I've learned over the years to save yourself the hassle and just pre-drill everything. Because unless your screws have a pre-drill type head on them, but these normal screws like this, yeah, just pre-drill it. Get it done. Lot less hassle. Lot less stripping of things. Cracking wood. It takes a minute. Well, there we are. That's on there tight. Okay. I guess the next thing I do is to turn on the water and see if we've got any problems. Give me a second, I'll go do that. Me and my big mouth, huh? I'm gonna go turn the water on again. Well, no leaks. And as you can see, the water was coming out. Let's see here. Turn the water up on high, give it some temperature. And I've got to go turn the propane tank on. Okay, I've got that turned on. Let's hook up our sprayer and let's see what we got. Took me a minute there, didn't it? Taking it a minute here, filling up this hose. Yeah, it's taking a while for it to reload the lines. A lot of air in the lines. I'll get this figured out and we'll take a look at it. Well guys, I'm a goof as usual. Hear my tank filling? Yeah, that's why I couldn't get any water out of this thing. I forgot I drained my tank. I hadn't put water back in it yet. Oh boy. Yeah, so I'll get this tank filled up and then we'll get back to trying to test it, okay? Okay guys, I got the heater turned up to high, the water pressure's on high, and it's got a drip in it. I got to tighten that up a little more. There. So let's aim this out here and see what we got. I heard it go on. Oh, that's nice. That's nice and warm. Very nice. Now it's getting too hot, so I turn this down. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's perfect shower temperature there. Yeah. That's the pressure I got right there. Nice about having this, I can do my dishes, or I can spray off my windows. I could even wash the bus if I wanted to, if I wanted to waste all my water. Wonderful. Cool. I'm happy. Well, all but my little bit of stupidity with the water, I think we did pretty good. So, there we have it, guys. This is our outside shower. And I do have that quick connect coupler here and a regular handheld shower. And I also got a bracket I could put up here or on this side. And also I was thinking, on these doors, they're spring loaded here, see? I could put rod up there about so high and hang me a shower curtain here, and you'd have a little shower area in there. You could actually put two rods, put one here to protect the electrical and one on the outside. You'd have a perfectly good outside shower. And you know, that little shower of mine just isn't real conductive for a big guy like me to take a shower. But you know, it's big enough, but I'd rather be out here where I could have a little more room, as long as no one was around. But anyway, here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. This is going to be a fairly short little video. I had no idea it was going to go that easy. So that's great. I'll see you guys on the next one.